Hey guys, this is Eric. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We're going to look at US dollar Japanese yen today. I took this trade yesterday and I just wanted to go over the trade to show you my thought process and why I did the trade. All right. Also, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. Like I said, I'm going to be pumping out more content. All right. I want to try to make trading as easy as possible for you guys. So I'm going to take you through this trade. So as you can see on the chart, uh, I had a target zone and it was hit. But I want to show you what I had originally. All right. This was the original chart. You see the date, December the 2nd. All right. So I'm being very transparent. You see everything. There's nothing doctored up. All right. Now look, when I entered into this market, this had already happened, but it met some key criteria. All right. This is what was setting up to be a 3 bar play. Um, I normally don't trade the 3 bar play, but I would trade a bar elimination play. But what I started noticing here is that the sentiment was bullish. 63% were long, 37% short. So that increased my bias to say, I think we're going to go to the downside because I told you guys about sentiment trading before. We want to do the opposite. But when we do this opposite, we also got to have our technicals line up and it makes sense. Okay. So back to here. You see right here, we had a nice little bullish move to the upside. And then now the bulls were about to get taken out by the bears because it was too many people going long. So we had to switch our bias. So the sentiment was suggesting that we're long, but in reality, we were setting up to go short. And as you can see, voila, targets hit, everything. But what I want to do is I want to go back in time and we're going to do this trade as if I'm in real time. Okay. Move this out of the way. We're going to do bar replay. So I can replay it back to where I first came in. All right. So I came into the market. I saw that we were here. If you go back and look at my YouTube videos, I talked to you guys about wicks. Wicks leave clues, okay? This wick down left a clue, but it also suggested that we were not going here right now, but it left a clue that we will come back down here. All right. If you notice, if you look left, this area was deemed as an area of market structure. Okay. So we want to see price come back into this particular area, which it did. Okay. So if you notice, this red bar eliminated this red bar. Okay. And then we had a snap back up into structure again. Okay. And then I look for entry here. Okay. So I took my entry around here because I got the retest of market structure. All right. Now, also, we got the bar elimination. And if you look at my bar elimination video, you will notice that your stop loss goes above the bar that was eliminated. So right here, my stop loss. Okay. I'm going to measure this move to get my target. Everything that I'm doing is your first time seeing. Go back through the videos. I go through all this, through the Fibonacci's, all that. And if you want to be part of the Dark Horse Crypto group, I pull that out in a few as well. You can take a look at that. I got all these videos in order on how to build your charts and how to use this stuff. All right, so I got my extension tool up. I drew my box. That's my target. I got my entry point. Boom. And I just remove these out. That's it, guys. It don't really take that long to do this stuff. All right. So I got my protection in place, and let's hit the play button. All right. Okay, look. So right here, you got another one. You could have entered again. Okay, this is another entry. In fact, I did. I did another entry. So I had two entries on this. I went heavier on the second entry. Okay. Now, I'm gonna be honest. I got a little worried right here because I felt like, what if we get a trend reversal and then we just come on up here and I get my stop loss hit? So what I did was I started to move my stop loss into profit, but I decided just stick with the rule, because the rule is you put your stop loss above the candle that was eliminated, and this candle was eliminated, and so I need to keep it there, because if I start moving it, I might get hit, even though you make a little profit. But trust the process. All right. All right. Targets smashed. They're hit. We're great. We made our money. See how many pips? Okay, where we get it? Right here. All right, 34 pips. Not bad. Okay. Standard lot size, easy $300 day. I wouldn't do a standard lot size for some of you guys starting out. Maybe you could scale into it. Um and I wouldn't really take a standard on one of these plays. Uh I have different plays that I look at to take a standard. But yeah, so it smashed through it. In fact, even it just destroyed it. And honestly, I'm going to be working on adjusting my targets, because a lot of times my targets are hit, but price continues to go on. So there's something in my trading plan that needs to be adjusted to take advantage of these moves, because this clearly, from here all the way here, I mean, that's 61 pips. That's a lot of pips I left on the table. So I'm always trying to get better and better with my trading. And this is how you get better. That wasn't good enough. That wasn't good enough yesterday for me. The trade worked out, but it was something I was missing. I could have did this a lot better, I believe, with my targets. But let me see something. Maybe I had it and I didn't really take advantage of it. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. I at least could have got to here using my rule. I could 104, 186. It could have at minimum been where I should have went to, because it met all the criterias of coming through the correction zones on the Fibonacci's. I'm a big fan of the fibs. I use it a lot. Some people use naked charts. That's cool. It's fine. The fibs just make things much more clear for me, and I just understand it. Let's see. Right, you can come to our Dark Horse Coins site, and you can look at the membership. Um, and in this membership area, you will have it's one time fee, it's lifetime membership, but you'll get the video tutorials, the analysis, you get PDF files. We do group Zooms, forum, all that stuff. We got downloadable ebooks, investment plan templates, all those things are there. Of course, we got some free resources too. Um, this for other people that's offering. So they got Bitcoin, cryptocurrency technology, of course. Princeton University does this, so it's pretty good. So you guys can click on it, and it'll take you there. Matter of fact, click on it right now and show you. All right, so this is offered by Princeton University, and you can sign up for it and go through it. They also have a all right. Here we go. Enroll for free. Starts December 3rd, so that's today. All right. Let's see what else we have. Bitcoin crash course. All right. So they have a nice little education thing here if you want to learn about it. So these are free. And of course, taxes. Want to learn about taxes when it comes to cryptocurrencies. All right, got a couple of forex articles, the tools here, and everything. But yeah, this the Dark Horse Coins website. Check it out. We got a nice little blockchain course as well too that we worked on. All right, it's the site. So you guys make sure. All right, now I'm gonna do a separate video, but I'll just go ahead and talk about it in this fear and greed index. This is very important in crypto. All right. We're in extreme greed. That means that you should not be buying. When we get into extreme fear or within the fear realm, you should be buying. Okay. Extreme greed, you're selling. Extreme fear, you're buying. So this greed index, as of today, is at 92. You should be very worried. Not worried like, oh my gosh, things is gonna get bad. But you shouldn't be putting your hard earned capital to work when the market is extended. So I'll go over that later. And it's almost similar guys to sentiment trading. It really is. Um, let me see. So look at this. Bitcoin of the week was over 90 something percent. Ripple was 97% that were long. Now it's starting to get mixed. Things are starting to change. Okay. You gotta understand Bitcoin, Ripple, all these guys have been traded on the derivative market. A lot of contracts are starting to end within a week or two. All right. So those contracts are in. That's a big load of money being unloaded from the market. So these 80%, 95% of people could be getting wiped out because it's 25%. That's a whole lot of money that could be collected that could pay this 5%. So keep that in mind. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but just keep it in mind. All right. Nothing that we do in investing is 100% all the time, but we just stick with our rules and we come out better at the end. So, like I said, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Check out darkhorsecoins.com. Check out the website. I'll be uploading a whole bunch of other content on there, articles, uh, even videos. If you want to be in a membership area, that's great. Got other people in there as well. Uh, we have great conversation, and we'd have monthly reports too that we do on crypto that we talk about coins. That's what the group is about. Dark Horse. It means that we want to find projects in the crypto space that no one else is talking about. Yes, we have Ripple, but we also had Ripple at 0.006 of a cent. So it was a dark horse for us years ago, back in 2016. We don't we don't care like about it right now. It's we have our bags. We all right, so we can do something with it as price begins to progress, to all time highs or whatnot. A lot of people coming into the space, they're buying it at a higher level. We always teach our people we buy in silence and we sell in noise, and we repeat the process. So there's a lot of things a lot of people don't understand. A lot of projects out there that's not being discussed in the media or even around your friends or social media, but they're pretty good projects and they're solving real world problems. So y'all have a great day. Just want to show you exactly the trade that I took and how it fared well. All right. So look like we're about to come down here to support. Let's see if we can get a bounce. All right. Oh, so let me finish this up. We possibly could see something like this. If we get down here and get some support, I want to see a bar elimination. May have to go down on a lower time frame, but this area right here is key level of market structure. That's 24 pips, possibly back to this zone right here. We want to see price possibly try to come back here as a retest. All right. Sometimes price will turn around. You see right here, it's at a key level of market structure right here. We could get a bounce back here, then go lower, or we could come and bounce all the way back up to this point right here as well. So just want to keep you guys updated on that. Happy trading, happy investing. Be the best you can be. Have a good one, guys.